Hello, this is Lamar Ellis with Drone Education Services. Welcome to 500 Flights and Counting. Today is a big day. Today is the day that they install the shingles on the roof. Well, today is a continuation of episode 24. It was the best day ever for flying. The weather was hot, but it was clear with a little wind. The roofers were attached to the safety lines and they began to install the roof tiles. Check out my new shot, the pull-back rotational pan. Today I was going to be using every one of my shots that I've been working on for months perfecting. I was using hovers and rotational pans. Along with the roofers, the framers were building the roof for the front porch. Along with that came some more hovers, rotational pans, and drone movements combined with camera movements. It was a perfect day for flying, and I had developed the skills to keep the workers in focus. They all separated to do different areas of the roof and began working. It was so much fun flying, and there was so much activity on the roof to focus on. At about 1 o'clock, the workers took a break for their lunch, and I was able to fly in from the rear waypoint and do a interest rotation. Look at how much work had been completed. All of the workers on the site up to this point were very efficient at what they did. I interviewed the crews and I learned that they liked this builder because he had multiple projects and that had the ability to keep them busy for a while. In the construction world, the workers are loyal to those that give them continuous work. Just watch the work in progress. I still can't believe I was able to capture the house from the clearing of the lot from the original home to this point. Everything that I had trained for was being used on this day. The roofers were perfect subjects because they seemed like they were everywhere, and I was able to film them from so many different locations. I knew that work was continuing inside. There was no time in between the flights. So I just sat back and enjoyed the roof being completed as it was being done. Sure hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please be sure to subscribe and share. And visit our website, droneeducationservices.com, for more materials and special features.